All right, so the next thing that I want to do is use some of those sight words and some of our letter sounds to write a sentence. So the sentence we're going to write today, remember to start with a capital and leave finger spaces and do punctuation at the end. Our sentence today is she likes. So we have to remember how to spell she. How do we spell she? S-H-E. She likes. Remember, don't put in any random capitals. She likes to go. She likes to go. She likes to go up. She likes to go up the slide. Slide will be a tricky one because that's a silent E word. Slide. She likes to go up the slide. Check your work. She likes to go up the slide. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's chin it. She likes to go up the slide. Do you see any mistakes in my work? What do you see? She is S-H-E, that's good. Then I have a finger space. L-I-K-E-S, likes. There's no space after likes. Likes and to is squished together. Finger space. Make sure you check your work. To is T-O. Go up. Uh-oh, that's a random capital. Check your work. Did you do any random capitals? Up. Lowercase p. P is another word that lets the tail hang down. Space. The. And then slid. Slid. Uh-oh, I forgot to add the silent E that will make I say I instead of I. And then punctuation at the end. Now I'll check the whole thing. She likes to go up the slide. There you have it. That's our sentence for today. So some of you might have felt a little left out yesterday because we didn't get through all of the Willoughby Wallabies with everybody's names. So we'll do some more today, and then we will do anybody that I didn't get to on the first 2 days tomorrow. And of course, you can do them with all of your classmates and your stuffies if you want to. Willoughby Wallaby wee, an elephant sat on me. Willoughby Wallaby woo, an elephant sat on you. Willoughby Wallaby Wateo, an elephant sat on Mateo. Willoughby Wallaby wee, an elephant sat on me. Willoughby Wallaby woo, an elephant sat on you. Willoughby Wallaby Wobbery, an elephant sat on Aubrey. Willoughby Wallaby Wooslan, an elephant sat on Ruslan. Willoughby Wallaby Wantonio, an elephant sat on Antonio. Willoughby Wallaby Wimena, an elephant sat on Jimena. Willoughby Wallaby Woona, An elephant sat on Luna. Willoughby Wallaby Wake Up. An elephant sat on Jacob. Willoughby Wallaby Wempsy. An elephant sat on Dempsey. Willoughby Wallaby Waretta. An elephant sat on Loretta. Willoughby Wallaby Wabastian. An elephant sat on Sebastian. I'm going to use our paddles or our whiteboards again, but you don't have to. You're going to be figuring out which one of these things does not belong. One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you tell me which thing is not like the other? By the time I finish my song. I guess you won't be able to by the time I finish my song because I'm not done. Here they are, the 4 words. Which one does not belong? Think about why it wouldn't belong with the other 3. So let's sound these words. Rat, rat, rug, rug, mat, mat, sat, sat. Which one is it? Now you might come up with a different answer than what I had in mind. And if you have a good reason for why it doesn't belong, that's awesome. Something I didn't even think of. But my idea was that rat, mat, and sat are all part of the at family, but rug is part of the ugh family. So rug did not belong because it was not part of the at family. Let's do a different one. It might be a different rule this time. One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you tell me which thing is not like the other by the time I finish my song? Tricky. Look at those carefully. Let's sound them out. Mug, mud. Like, we know it's a snap word, you really can't sound that one out. Man. Maybe you figured it out. My idea was that mud, and man all begin with the letter M, but like starts with the letter L. 2 more. One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you tell me which thing is not like the other by the time I finish my song? What is happening in this group of 4 words? What do you think? Let's read the words. The first word is to. The next word is me. The third word is my. And the fourth word is. You know what? I just realized my rule is not true. I was trying to say that 3 of these were snap words, and this one isn't, but is one of our snap words. So I goofed on that, but maybe you can find a reason why one of them doesn't belong. What do you think? You get to be the teacher. Come up with your own. And then I have one last group. One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you tell me which thing is not like the other by the time I finish my song? Did you get this one? Let's take a look. An, tan, ran, man, not a, must be the silent E. That word doesn't make sense. Note. Numbers 1, 2, and 3 are all part of the and family, but note that one does not belong at all. I will include one of those silly Jack Hartman videos that's also about word families for you to watch today, boys and girls. So one other thing I wanted to talk about with you was solid shapes. We only got to talk about this a few times before this break, but there's probably solid shapes all over your house. So that's something that you could do today. You could get a piece of paper and draw all of the solid shapes or write what solid shapes you find around your house. So let's review the ones that we have learned. This one, it looks just like a ball, but we learned that's not the name of the 3D shape. If you find something that's shaped like this, it's all round, but it's not flat, just like a circle, then it's called a sphere. Sphere is kind of a tricky word to say, but anything that's round and shaped like a ball is a sphere. So see what kind of spheres you can find in your home today. Another shape that we studied is a cylinder. A cylinder has a circle on the top and a circle on the bottom, and it's 3D. It's not flat. So this Aaron Rodgers Green Bay Packer candle is a cylinder. Here's a cube. A dice is a cube. It's covered in squares. And then the last shape I haven't found in my house yet. It's a cone. It has a point on the top and a circle on the bottom. So I challenge you to go on a shape hunt in your house today and write down or draw what you find.